Hello Blake, this is Corey Kononchuk at Porsche Colorado Springs. I wanted to send you a quick walk-around video of our 2025 911 Carrera S, as if you were standing here in front of it. Okay, here she is, 2025 911 Carrera S in Vanadium Gray Metallic. This is a lovely color. Unfortunately, the sun decided to go under a cloud, so it's not popping as much as it would otherwise. But anyway, this car is very well equipped, so I'm just going to touch on a few notable options. Most obviously, the 20 and 21-inch Carrera Classic wheels. Has the carbon accents on the mirrors and the mirror trims. This one's equipped with the front axle lift system, so you can raise and lower the nose to clear obstacles, something that's pretty vital on cars with the nose this low. It does have the Aero Kit, so it doesn't change the exterior appearance, most notably with the large rear wing. Has the titanium exhaust tailpipes. These just look so cool. Move into the interior here. This interior color, I hope I have it right, it's deep night blue, and it might look a little gray on camera, but it's a beautiful, rich, dark blue color with the contrast stitching in chalk. And these are the optional 18-way power adjustable sports seats. So you have height, rake, lumbar, bolstering, thigh extension, all adjustable. They're also heated and ventilated. And they have the Porsche crest on the headrest, which I absolutely adore. This one's equipped with the Sport Chrono package, so of course you get that beautiful clock there on the dashboard, or timer rather. The new full digital display, it's fully user configurable. Happy to go into more detail on that in a future video if you like. And of course we've got our 8-speed PDK Porsche Doppelkupplung gearbox with paddles on the wheel that allows you to manually shift the car. All different drive modes, selector switches here. You also have that big red button, that's the performance response. That'll give you 20 seconds of improved horsepower for acceleration. And then we do have the adaptive cruise as well, just to name a few of the many features of this car. All right, Blake, that's just a real quick video on the car. I'm happy to send more video, more photos, more information. Would like to chat with you a bit more about it. My direct phone line is area code 617-909-8011. Thank you so much, and I look forward to hearing from you. Bye.